In front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Now hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here. Now to add any other one from those now visible settings, hit plus icon next to search passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, pick any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email, or phone number. Password, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!